Hello everyone, I am Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, I will be discussing this lesson about centroid and area of a triangle. Okay, let's start with this first concept. According to this, a median of a triangle divides the area of the triangle into two equal parts. Okay, let's consider this triangle A, B, C. From this point or from this vertex to this midpoint of segment BC, then it means segment AD is a median of this triangle. Since this is a midpoint, then segment BD is equal to segment CD. Okay, now, when we draw this median, we divided this triangle ABC into two triangles. And the area of these two triangles are the same or equal. Okay, why the same or equal? Since they have the same bases and height are also the same, if we have same bases and same height, then the areas of those triangles are the same or equal. So that's why the median of a triangle divides the area of a triangle into two equal parts. Okay, moving on. According to the second concept, a triangle has three medians which meet at the centroid. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Okay, we actually know these two concepts already. What about here? According to this, in the same triangle, if the ratio of the length is 2:1, then the ratio of the area is also 2:1. Okay, let me explain this concept. Considering this triangle A, B, C, so from this point, from this vertex to this midpoint, this is a median. From this vertex to this midpoint, we have here another median. And from this vertex to this midpoint, this is our third median. These three medians meet or intersect at point G. So point G is a centroid of this triangle A, B, C. According to this, in the same triangle, if the ratio of the length is 2:1, then the ratio of the area is also 2:1. Okay, when we draw these medians here, okay, by the way, medians are in the ratio 2:1. So this is also 2:1. So 2:1. Okay, when we draw these three medians, we divided this triangle into 6 triangles. And these 6 triangles have the same area or equal area. Okay, why the same or equal areas? Let me explain this one. First, let's consider triangle ABG. Triangle ABG is divided into two triangles. We have triangle AFG and BFG. Since segment AF for triangle AFG is equal to segment BF for triangle BFG, then it means the base or bases of these two triangles are equal. Okay, how about the height? The height for these two triangles are also the same or equal. So same bases, same height, then it means the areas of these two triangles are equal or the same. So let's say triangle AFG's area is X. So BFG is also X. Okay, how about triangle BDG? What will be the area of triangle BDG? Okay, let's consider again triangle ABG. Take note, segment AD, this is a median of this triangle. So it means this is in the ratio 2:1. So in clearer view, this is this ratio 2:1. Okay, now, these two triangles have the same height. So they have the same height. But the bases are different. As I mentioned, this is in the ratio 2:1. So we can conclude now that the area of this triangle or triangle ABG is 2 times the area of this triangle or of triangle BDG. So if this area is x plus x or 2x, then it means the area of this triangle BDG is x. So we have here triangle BDG area is x. Okay, next one is triangle CDG. What would be the area of triangle CDG? Considering this triangle BCG, this is divided into two triangles. Segment BD, segment CD or DC are equal in length or measure. So the bases of these two triangles are the same or equal. What about the height? The height are also the same or equal. So same bases, same height, then it means the area of these two triangles are the same or equal. So if triangle BDG is X, then triangle DCG is also X. So again, this is X, X, and this is also X. Okay, now, how about triangle AGC? For triangle AGC, okay, let's consider triangle CDG. AD is a median. And again, this is in the ratio 2:1. These two triangles, AGC and CDG, have the same height. So they have the same height. So it's the same here a while ago. So this is in the ratio 2:1. So it means this triangle or triangle AGC is 2 times this triangle CDG because it's in the ratio 2:1. And take note, triangle AGC is divided into two triangles. So in here, same bases and also the same height. So triangle AGE is equal to triangle EGC. Since AGC is 2 times triangle CDG, if CDG is X, then AGC is 2X. So it means this is X, this is also X. So as you can see here, this triangle is X, 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 and this is also X. So the areas of the 6 triangles are the same or equal. Okay, now, in here or in these figures, so this is median. So from this vertex to this midpoint, so these are two equal parts. So these two triangles have the same areas. Okay, what about here? So we have here 3 equal parts. So it means the area of this is equal to this one, equal to this triangle. Okay, and here, these 3 medians bisect, or these 3 medians cut this bigger triangle into 6 equal parts or into 6 equal triangles. And you have to remember that that is in similar triangles. Okay, again, if the ratio of the length is 2:1, then the ratio of the area is also 2 squared or is 2 squared is to 1 squared. Okay, let's give another example by answering this concept check question. In triangle ABC, or this triangle, M is the midpoint of segment BC, and N is the midpoint of segment AM. If the area of triangle NMC is 6 centimeters, 6 squared centimeters, find the area of triangle ABC. So it's given that point M is the midpoint of segment BC. Point N is the midpoint of segment AM. The area of triangle NMC, or this triangle, it's given that the area is 6 square centimeters. We are looking for the area of this whole triangle, A, B, C. Okay, analyzing this figure, since point N is the midpoint of segment AM, so for this triangle AMC, from this vertex to this midpoint, then this segment CN is a median for this triangle AMC. So it means triangle NMC and triangle ANC have the same area. So if this is 6 centimeter or 6 square centimeters, then this is also 6 squared centimeters. Okay, also, point M here is the midpoint of segment BC. So from this vertex of triangle ABC to this midpoint, then this segment AM is a median for this triangle ABC. So if this is a median, then it means triangle ABM triangle ABM has the same area as triangle AMC. So in here, triangle AMC would be 6 plus 6. So this is now equal to 12. So ABM is also 12. The question here is find the area of triangle ABC. So 12 plus 12, then the area of triangle ABC is 24 square centimeters.